back up.
No,
he done run.
No, there he is. Back on it. No, that's the hen. He's done went over in there. She's right behind him. I still got hens.
Man, I was hoping to get a
That's
better
late in the day too.
I was hoping to get a little bit better video of that. We're trying to get where we can put one to roost, and so help me, they all over the fields today. Here comes a car. I know one thing. They made me mad.
Huh?
Them turkeys.
Oh, yeah.
When I got out of the truck right here, I was tore out the frame. I mean, I wish I had my video camera on then. We are after some pressured birds.
That's for sure.
Me and Joe's up here this evening. We're gonna try to see if we can't get after.
Put one to bed. Wake up with him in the morning.
That's right.
We're on that second ridge, so we went up right here. Tried to make a move on him, but
All's well. That guy,
if I
guy.
would have thought, I wouldn't run up there at 6 like we did.
That guy you was talking about, man, if he'd been after these turkeys for a week, I don't know, we'll be hunting some pressured birds in the morning.
It ain't like we ain't been on them, maybe. Hang it up. No, I went up down there, but he was on this ridge. He flew down into that little flat. Me and Dad got above him, called and started coming, and he hung up.
When I come up here, I circled down at the truck and come down down here. And I tried to sneak, and I was sneaking, so I come across and went up the ridge. I'm telling you, we're on some pressured birds, and we're trying to get a strategy for in the morning.
Some guy said he done shot at them 4 times.
Man.
I've been over here twice. You was over here on opening day.
We got 3 birds in here. I don't know how hard it's gonna be, but we got Lady A down there in the truck.
Never used one before, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna have to try something.
Flex Tone's fixing to find out. But they've been these 3 ridges right here is where they've been roosting. I've been where they've been roosting. They've tore that all to pieces right there.
Now I got on 2 more, about 500 yards that way, too.
Man. Call us in a crow right here. I mean, they have literally tore this road all to pieces. We're fixing to put one to 90-90. And they tore this road all to pieces.
Out here trying to put one to bed this evening, ladies and gentlemen.
We've been after some high pressured birds.
I'm talking about hunters left and right.
But we're gonna hit this thing in the morning. But we're trying to find one this evening that we can get close to. For some reason, these birds has been coming about 60 to 80 yards out and they won't come any farther. But we found out that Joe talked to a guy here and he said he'd been hunting for a week. He done pulling rifles and everything else out on them.
So he shot at them 4 times. 3 different gobblers, 3 or 4 times.
Wow. Stay tuned tomorrow evening. There will be a video.
Hopefully with a little bit of...
It'll be hit or miss. You'll see a video tomorrow. It's on that stupid fence.
He's on that knob right there. That is a knob right there. Does that go down and back up?
See that ridge right there? It goes right down that fence line. It's private on the side of that fence.
And what I'm asking is, if you go down this dip, is that a...
I'm not
I see trees right there.
I've not been down that way before. That's deep. I mean, I don't know, man. Ray, it's in the same spot me and you went. It's on the private property and there's no way to get to it. Don't know who we could ask to get on it.
I guarantee you, that's the same gobbler I was on that I had come within 60 yards and hung up.
Man.
I bet it hung up on that fence line.
We'll get going through it. We gotta get to the top. We got birds. We got birds below us and we got birds above us. And we're trying to get out of here as fast as we can.
Pinpoint.
We gotta go here and pin where this one's at. They all over. Down here below us and above us. So we've got them on this. We are fixing to put one to bed, baby. I'm telling you right now, I'm out of shape.
We do a health screen at work. Doctor come in the other day, said 3 years ago, blood pressure was lower than normal, really physically fit, and I only weighed like 170 pounds. He said then 2 years ago, I bumped up to 180. Last year, he said I was 187. Blood pressure still going up. So this year, 193, and your blood pressure went up. He said, Mr. Davis, are you seeing a trend? I said, I'm gaining weight. I said, my blood pressure's going up. I said, my dad takes blood pressure medicine. Told me to start taking it about 35. I said, I'm fixing to turn 27. I said, by what you're telling me, by I'm 35, I'm gonna need blood pressure medicine, and I might be overweight. Because I'm not changing my habits.
I'm telling you right now, if we can walk like this every evening on these birds right here, neither one of us have to worry about it. We have got two ready to ride up here on the mountain. Me and Joe is after some pressured birds, and we're under pressure to get them. He's done been into them. They locked up. Now we've found where they are. We're getting ready to take a pillow and quilt. We done put this on the bed.
We've got one guy done shot 100 rounds at him.
It sounded like he had an AK-47. We're gonna go up the mountain and get above these turkeys and see if we can't get one a little bit up here.
We've got one roosted, but we think he's across onto private, and we really don't know how we're going to go.
I'm pretty sure he's on private land, so we're going to ease up the mountain right here. I know a spot where we can get above them. We're going to see what happens. Down there.
Son, that owl's going to echo off that mountain up here big time.
Oh, yeah, son. It's going to do.
That's all we need to do is go off the road into a truck.
Oh yeah, good morning. We got little Lady A right here with us. Uh-huh. Let's get her down, Joe.
Chicken, egg, and cheese.
Yeah, boy, we got her right there. First things first this morning.
I had to
First things first this morning.
make a quick stop.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Let's get this show on the road, bud. We meeting up here to meet my son. Get ready to get after one. What was that? A turkey, a rooster? What was that?
I don't know. Figured it out, man.
Well, I tell you what, about time you roll up in town. Oh yeah.
Hallelujah.
Oh yeah. Let's get this thing on the road, bud. I'm telling you right now.
Oh.
Hey. We getting ready, son, to get excited. Hey,
You're
we
done.
Hey,
Let's go.
we got us one in bed, buddy. I'm telling you. Go on that other side over there. We'll get some stuff cleared out here. Open up that, just go ahead and open that up when we lay that stuff. Now here's that Lady A. I didn't name that. Right here. Right here's
Lady
Lady A right there, buddy.
Lady of the evening.
She's actually right. So this right here's going to get us a chance at them pressured birds that the rifleman been shooting at.
Excuse me, miss. Just checking your weight.
There's your biscuit.
Jump out right here.
Oh, you're good. Right here you go. Little Lady A right here. I done named this. All right, let's do it. yeah, we in here now. We beat her. We beat the rifleman. We beat the rifleman this morning. Back up here. We've been in a lot of hunting pressure, but we have beat the rifleman this morning.
These birds have been pressured all week. Well, really the last 2 weeks.
I'm gonna tell you something. Now. Are you ready to go?
Fired up, babe.
All right, boys. We got about a 15-20 minute walk. We got one on the roof. So let's go get it.
Let's do it.
The other day where it rolls over. Yeah. You might be able to crawl that decoy down in there.
Yeah.
But I don't know where that fence is at.
That's why we need to let him know we're over here. Let's get a little closer.
But we need to get down there to where it rolls over.
Right behind us. One behind us and one in front of us. We just we're above it. We just ain't that far away, man.
He might be right there in that saddle.
Maybe.
If he's right there, we got the perfect setup.
Yeah. Are you in again?
See where it rolls over right up there? Yeah. I say we just get up here around some of them trees. Somewhere. Yeah, around them trees.
Hold on just a second.
Oh man, that's close. Well, we need to get up here and sit down.
We need to get some. Hey,
Let's go over here.
go to the left right here. That's it. Hey, just keep saying. Well, we're on the move again. Got a bird to lock up and walk off. So we're
done with the pressured birds. They win.
Yeah, it was. We had them coming up on us about 100 yards. That's as far as they'd go, as far as they would come. They just kept gobbling and walking away. So we had to come out of there, and we're going to another spot. We had to move. It's a beautiful day. We can't waste this. So we're getting ready to get on another.
Looks like somebody's gonna walk a deer or something. People.
That's right there. We need to set up there. We're sit down. We're gonna sit down. He'll come up. He's coming. Right here, please. He's okay, man. Which one? Wait, just find a spot. That one's gonna come up right there. I should have put that in out. Huh? I should have put that thing out. Yeah. Ready, it's coming. Do it one more time. Ready, no, put that in up there. I don't know where it's at. It's coming up the backside of that hill right there. We might need to be. I don't think we need to put it because time it pops up, I'm gonna blow it down. I know, but you want to be able to see it. You see it big pine right yonder? Yeah. That's the one we need to be behind. If we can get to it. I don't know. Call it in. Do it. It's a short one. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's gonna pop up on us. It's gonna come straight up.
When he gets there, he's gonna be looking. We're gonna have to kill him quick.
Oh yeah.
I wish this right here. I wish that.
We're gonna have to decide something here. Unless you wanna go down here.
You gotta hurry. Just get in this right here. Right here.
Just let me sit back down here.
Just sit down right there.
Keep going.
I wish we was over at the hill. But we ain't.
Just a little bit. Wait till I get in front of him somewhere. Just be real still. Just be watching. Get a good shot at it. You see it? Get a good shot at it. Get a good shot at it.
Come on and kill it. I can't say it. Huh? I can't say it. You want me to kill it?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hold this camera right here.
Huh?
Hold this camera. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Go over and stomp on his head, George.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go on here, man.
Go over and hold him down, George. Hey, I was afraid it was going to put and get out here.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Lord, for that one.
Hey, I was going to give you until he was going to run, and then if he took off, I was going to shoot him.
Hey, when I heard
I
that,
seen it, but he was going behind a tree. I seen his head was behind a tree. I said, when he one more step and he's done. And he wasn't moving.
No,
so
he stood there, and he was looking right down y'all's way.
I leaned. When I leaned, I said, "Oh yeah."
I say, this thing puts, I'm going to have to go ahead and I'm going to have to go ahead and shoot.
yes, sir. See, look at this. Give me 5, bub. Give me 5, son.
That's what I'm
Oh,
talking
my
about.
goodness.
Son, that one was hot and ready.
You got that right, son. Son, yeah. It paid off. His fridge paid
Hey.
off,
Oh
man.
man.
Hey, it pays to leave pressured birds sometimes.
Oh, my goodness, man. This morning, this is killer. I mean, dude, look. What are we? Oh, my goodness, son. Look at this guy.
I was getting nervous.
Oh,
I was too.
I didn't think y'all could see him, and I was like, this
Well,
joker's
I
looking
couldn't.
at us, you know?
Well, I couldn't see him at first, and I had to. I know you seen him. Stop.
I tried my best to get that camera. I couldn't. I was just holding the camera up, trying to hide behind a tree because I was afraid he'd see me. And oh my goodness, I keep like.
He wasn't even fanned or nothing. He just come.
From the
he
moment,
just
from the
popped
moment
out.
we called, it didn't
Oh.
take 5
Oh,
minutes.
no,
I
it
bet
was-
he covered 150 yards.
It was 5
my
minutes,
goodness, man.
and he was here. I mean,
Oh my goodness,
rocking, son.
man! What a morning we've had, though.
Oh man, it's been crazy. It didn't pan out too good for us this morning, though.
No. Oh my
At all.
goodness, man!
Wow.
Got on a bird this morning, locked up, and walked away. Had another goblin in another location get up here on this ridge. We've hunted this several years, and we know that there was birds in this place. So, but we had to get out of there because the rifleman over yonder is shooting up the whole hillside.
There's just way too much pressure.
Them
Oh,
birds
yeah.
is messed up. But on this ridge right now, I deer hunt a lot on this ridge right here, and we've always seen good turkeys. We just hadn't got to make it over here this year.
Oh yeah.
Been wanting to get over here, but man, son, did we? What? I mean,
That's what I'm
what
talking
is
about.
this? What is this, son?
I was getting nervous. When he come out right there, he was eyeballing y'all.
Oh yeah.
Periscoping
he
the
was
daylight.
looking, son.
I said, Jordan, can you see him? I said, kill him. I got him on video. Because I thought maybe you couldn't get him on camera, and that's why he went
and
shooting.
when we play it back, you can see when he shot it.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
Wow.
Man, what
Yes,
a
sir.
blessing.
Awesome.
Out here in God's great outdoors. Oh my
Beautiful
goodness.
bird.
How long do you think that beard is?
It's probably about 10 inches anyway, 10 and a half.
Every bit of it.
That's a good one. Oh my goodness, I can't believe you, dog. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, man.
And you
awesome.
didn't have to get too cute calling. That was just simple.
No,
yes.
it was,
Yep,
that was it.
yep.
That was it. Didn't
Oh,
take
my
nothing.
goodness, man.
Nothing. He was there.
That ninja hammered
Oh,
him.
yeah. Ninja hammer.
Hashtag
Yeah.
Woodhaven.
Oh yeah, man.